Movement waits for guidance. Energy waits for form without intention or direction. Nothing is drawn together. Motion circles endlessly until awareness appears, giving shape and order to what was scattered and unclear. Direction creates structure, focus becomes design. What gathers into pattern responds to an ordering mind. Mind gives direction to motion. Order rises from flow. What moves without awareness finds purpose when guided to grow. From simple movement to structure, from rhythm into form, awareness organizes energy and builds what will endure. Centered focus draws alignment. Patterns begin to stay. What revolves around intention finds its place in way. From smallest organ